Hello, this is Shutter Fraser. Today we are opening our brand new DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo drone. This is a nano drone. We don't need any permission to fly it. We need not to register this drone. We need not to be a pilot, drone pilot, to fly this drone in India. It comes under 250 grams weightage. Exactly, it will be 249 grams. DJI maintained this under 250 grams so that every enthusiast can own this drone, can fly this drone. So it comes with a bag. If you are new to my videos, please subscribe to me so that I'll gain my first 1000 followers and I can apply for monetization so that I can make these videos more and more. About the contents, we can see some accessories of blades, 6 sets of blades and a screwdriver. And some paperwork which I guess no one reads. We get an 18 watt power adapter here and USB to mini USB, USB-C to USB-C, and there is a USB-A to mini USB, and there will be a cable in our remote which is USB-C to lightning cable for iPhone users. Here we have the controller and the drone itself. It's so mini that we can just carry it in our palm. Let me place the palm. We can carry it in our palms. Coming to the remote controller, with the Mini 2 and the 8-2S, DJI started giving this upgraded controller. Before that we used to have this small controller. This has an antenna built into the phone holder and we get joysticks. Even we get a pair of extra joysticks in the accessories box. This has an internal battery. So the part which I am holding right now is the antenna for the controller, and the joysticks were placed here. So as of now the joysticks were so sturdy even after my 2 or 3 flights as of now. Those feel so good. And I just charged one time for all the 3 flights. And I have the full backup power in the remote control as of now, even after flying for 3 times. We get 3 batteries with the Flamer combo. One is in the drone. Actually, I struggled a lot to remove that battery. So coming to the drone, Mini and the Air 2S and the new Mavic 3 gets this gimbal protector. And for the Mini and Mavic 3 we have this blade protectors also, so that blades won't be damaged when we carry it in our bags. We need to lift that case. I'm opening it for first time, so let me read that again. How to remove the battery in the Mini 2. Yes, thank you. Yes, that's how we need to remove the battery from the DJI Mini 2. Let me try this. Yes, I got it. So, as everyone knows, these drones have less number of sensors in the entire DJI lineup. Only the forward sensing drones. Only the forward sensing sensors will be there in this drone. Lateral, downways, and the upwards. Backward, there is no sensor, so we need to fly it very carefully. And this has a power switch downside of the drone. A 4K camera